How to create a fall and winter jacket collection that will always be in style, last a while, and survive a Kalamazoo polar vortex, Chicago snowstorm, BC Arctic freeze, and extreme atmospheric rivers, but in abundance. The approach is logical and practical, which makes it easy to maintain economically, physically, and time-wise. From city chic to atmospheric rivers to crazy snowstorms, I got you covered, literally. Let's dive in. Key points. 1. Identify what are your use cases. Jackets for work, for the great outdoors, weekend casual, special occasion. I highly recommend jotting this down. For example, my use cases are city chic, daily home use, and the rugged outdoors. 2. Layering system. Once you have identified your use cases, let's build up a layering system. Before we get into how to build a layering system, let's talk why a layering system is important. Layering systems reduce the total number of items required because we can mix and match the layers, lending themselves to a wider range of uses and lifestyle scenarios. Less is always easier to keep track of and maintain. That's simple. 3. How to build the layering system itself. Always have a solid vest with a proper zipper that you can wear under any of your other outer jackets, preferably with a hoodie. Have a second layer of the same vest, but in a jacket form with a hoodie and sleeves that you can layer it on top. Always buy jackets with hoodies, especially if you live in the northern hemisphere or anywhere where it rains. Why? This simplifies life by reducing the number of extra items you will need to protect your head, and the hoodie is always attached, therefore always available. Eliminates the chance of forgetting to carry extra head protection. The outermost jacket. This should always be, number 1, waterproof. 2. Have a solid zipper with a flap over it to prevent any water from seeping in. And number 3, have a hoodie. These outline how to build a layering system of jackets for all seasons and all situations. Aesthetics. 1. As I always say, if it is not functional and comfortable, then we are not going to feel confident. Confidence is more aesthetic than a good-looking jacket in which we are uncomfortable. 2. If it is not easy to maintain, then no matter how amazing and beautiful that jacket or layer is, it will always look beautiful, forever hanging in our closet, never seeing the light of day. I.e., something you'll wear frequently because it is also easy to clean is better than something that looks beautiful but you'll never wear. All of that said, when you do find a jacket or layer that also looks good, then it's worth grabbing it. In my case, as long as it's compassionately and kindly vegan. The only aesthetic jacket that I do have is this velvet black jacket, which I do use for very formal occasions, or even to dress up a casual dinner into a more smart looking dinner, or to dress up a casual Friday office day into a smart and sharp looking office day, paired with a pair of jeans or a pair of comfortable pants and a light t-shirt or even a light top. All in all, I have 9 jackets in total, of which 8 of them are from 2010. They still fit me, for which I am so grateful. The one jacket that I bought is actually an Eddie Bauer Storm jacket from the Salvation Army. You know your girl loves to thrift. It actually is a replacement for my old Storm jacket, as that one is pretty old and no longer waterproof. And that's how we build a versatile, multifunctional, all-season jacket system, including a fancy jacket for all kinds of fancy to smart casual situations. If you are interested in the core principles of simplifying and other tips, I have shared a playlist of the videos I have so far, which take you in order of simplifying life. In upcoming videos, I'll showcase more simplifying tips and case studies showing the application of these ideas and how they have helped me sustain a simplified life for the long run. Please like, subscribe if you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video on Living Simple. Thanks!